Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can use this new timeline feature in Snapchat. So this is the new feature, timeline, and with the help of this new feature now you can record up to a 1 minute length video in Snapchat with different segment. You can apply different filter into those short clips and you can make a 1 minute length video like you do in TikTok. So let's enable the timeline feature. As you can see, there's a bar. You can record up to the end of the bar. You can make it in different segments. You can apply sounds. Okay, not much sounds are there, but whatever is there we can apply. Okay, so let's make a short video. Okay. Okay, what is this? Okay, cartoon magic. Okay, you no need to make a full 1 minute length video. If you want to save at any time, you can hit this button and you can save. But just to show you guys, I'll make a 1 minute length video. Okay. Okay, so we have a 1 minute length video, cartoon magic. You can select this video and you can stream the video from here also. And here on the right corner you can see this music button. You can add music to the clips also. If you want to edit some text or you want to draw something, you can do it here. Okay, once you are done with everything, you can save the video. And you can send the video to your spotlight or to your story. Okay, let's go to the gallery and I'll show you the video. Okay, as you can see, it's almost 54-second length video. Yep. So this is it, guys. Likewise, you can use this new timeline feature in Snapchat. So hope you guys like this video. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.